Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design cinematic gladiator text in Photoshop. In this tutorial you will learn how to create powerful metallic gladiator style text effect inspired by epic war and action Roman films. We will begin with by setting by dark tone and battlefield background to establish a cinematic tone. Next we will type in the title using bold font serif and we will apply layer styles like bevel, embossed, gradient overlays and satin to give text strong metallic armor. Then we will add gen texture and a sparkle overlay to make the design feel battle warm. You will use color balance and curves to create warm tones and tones. Add light rays and fire embarrassment in the background for cinematic glow. We will use drop shadows and outer